Thank you for joining our unboxing baby product video series. I'm Dr. Lastra, board certified pediatrician at Head2Toe Pediatrics. We are a concierge practice serving families in the Tampa Bay area. So let's get on to the unboxing and see what today's product will be. Today's product comes from Boppy. Let's open this box up. I get to talk about the feeding and infant support pillow from Boppy today. Take a look. As a pediatrician, there are two scenarios in which I may recommend this Boppy pillow. The first scenario in which I may recommend this pillow to parents is for feeding. This may be for breastfed babies or formula-fed babies, babies feeding from the breast, or babies feeding from a bottle. This pillow can help provide some support to hold your baby while you feed your baby. Now, the second scenario where I may recommend this pillow, it's actually the way I tend to be recommending it most often, and that's to help support babies through different developmental milestones. Let's take a peek at what those may be. Practicing tummy time. The Boppy pillow is great, especially for babies who may not like to be laying flat on the floor, to help them support them during tummy time. Sitting. For babies who may not yet sit on their own, the Boppy pillow can provide some back support to help assist them with sitting and get them to eventually progress through that developmental milestone. You should never leave your child unattended when using the Boppy pillow. And the Boppy pillow is not for sleeping. This is for playtime or feeding. I hope you were able to learn more about the Boppy pillow and some of the uses that help in your child's development. Thank you for watching our unboxing video today. For more product recommendations, make sure to follow our YouTube channel on Unboxing Baby Products. Click like and subscribe.